In this video, we're going to see which AI chatbot is able to create the most satisfying game with one prompt. The game has to hit every single sensory spot in our brain. We're looking for visuals, audio, and of course, gameplay. Unlike the last video, I'll be testing the best model from each company. I've paid good money for the memberships, so please like and subscribe if you like this type of content and enjoy. So, last video's winner was GLM. So in this video, we're gonna start with GLM, and I'm gonna write the prompt, and I'm gonna tell him to improve on the prompt and make sure it's good for AI use. So the same prompt, GLM 5.2 gives it to me, I'm gonna use for Claude, GPT, and Gemini. I'm gonna use the highest model GLM has, 5.2, on Deep Thinking Max. So this, by the way, I didn't find anything to purchase a subscription on GLM, unlike Claude, GPT, and the others. So let's see if it'll stop or if it'll continue the task. Let's start. So GLM 5.2 just gave me the, so sorry, we're very crowded right now. And it took me to GLM 5 Turbo. And it did the prompt. I'm just gonna put it on a notepad. Okay. So I can paste it on other AIs, but let's go ahead and paste it on GLM. Okay, we're back in GLM finished. Let's just see the gameplay. A chain reaction orb popper. Click to send a shockwave ring expanding outwards. When it touches an orb, that orb explodes into particles and sends it down on shockwave. Let's see. Oh, it has sound as well. Ooh, nice graphics. Let me just open it on big. Nice graphics. Nice popping animation. I wouldn't say the gameplay is nice. A bit satisfying. I wouldn't see myself coming after work to play this satisfying game. I'm guessing we have to wait so we can make it a combo. Let's see. Not a bad attempt from GLM. It added the sound, the physics, the gameplay, the combo counter, like you have to get more counters, you have to get more combos to get more levels, etc. That's a nice touch. Yeah, but not a bad move from GLM without paying any money. GLM 5 Turbo. And now we're gonna move to ChatGPT. He always failed us. I've got the subscription. I've caved and bought it. I've put it on high, and yeah, 5.5. Let's see with the same prompt, what will GPT do? Hopefully this time they won't tell us to fuck off. That was super fast, ChatGPT, without anything to say. Oh my god. Let's see ChatGPT's game. Control, click, download file and open. Sure, let's download it. Lumen Cascade. A zero-fail chain reaction toy. Touch the darkness, charge the pulse, and make the screen sing. Click, hold, drag anywhere, release into the glowing orb. It's the same game as GLM. Why is it? I'm guessing it's the prompt. Oh no. My browser isn't handling it very well. Holy fuck. Let me just restart. You can charge and pop. Max release. So same concept as GLM. You pop, get combos the more you pop. The sound is satisfying. It has game physics. You can press and release. It gets a bigger radius of the circle. But as a general, it's the same game. Now I'm gonna go to Gemini and see what they do. Holy fuck, my browser is dying. Now, Gemini, also Flash 3.5, level extended. Let's get the prompt. How do I copy? Okay, good. And let's go. And Gemini even faster than ChatGPT. But I think I found the issue with why they're all making the same game. It's since GLM built the prompt, it's this chain reaction where one action cascades into dozens of satisfying macro events. A simple zero tutorial, click, tap, drag. A build-up phase. Anyway, I'm gonna continue with it. Let's see. Ooh, that was loud, but that was fucking... So it's more satisfying than the GLM one, but I guess if I had a better PC, the ChatGPT's one would be even better. Let's start with the corner. Oh, let's do from the middle. It's kind of fun, but it's a retarded, stupid game. Anyway, so I'm gonna go now to Claude. Fable, it's finally back. Hallelujah. I don't know if it's gonna work with the subscription I have because it's limited. Anyway, we're gonna do the same thing, but with Claude, I'm gonna remove this line. The gameplay loop must includes. I'm just gonna tell it do whatever is necessary. to make it satisfying. And I'm gonna do the same thing again with the other AIs. So this won't be the Claude won't have any advantage over the others. Hey, and Claude Fable 5 finished. I see the other AIs when we finish with this one. Starforge. And a captured star lies on your anvil, still beating. Hold to charge the hammer, release to strike. Strike as the ring kisses the rim for a perfect forge it white hot. Then witness the supernova. Okay. Ooh, that was nice. So this here, fuck is this? It's not a bad game. It's definitely satisfying. It has the noises and it's like it's a forge, you know. Anyway, let's go back to GLM and see what it cooked up. And GLM is still thinking. GLM is still thinking. Let's go to ChatGPT. Sensory Cascade HTML. ChatGPT is finished. This game. I think it's the same game. Mouse, touch, spacebar, every click rewards you. Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't do anything yet. ChatGPT, what the fuck is this? Sensory Cascade, more like sensory overload. Second try, ChatGPT, nope. Let's go to Gemini. Juice intensity, wait. To deliver the absolute highest density of gratification per millisecond, I have chosen the cosmic resonance chain reaction popper genre. It is a design where, okay, whoa, you can make more juice. I don't get it. What am I supposed to do? How do I play it again? What the fuck just happened? If you increase this, nope. Can I download it? I'm gonna refresh. Something's happening. I can hear a sound. Ooh, this sounds satisfying. Ooh, and other than that, GLM is still cooking. GLM is so fucking slow, and this is the turbo mode. I would say Starforge is the best one because with the prompt, I first fed Gemini, ChatGPT, and GLM. They all did the same game. Talking about the first game, I think GLM did it the best because Gemini's one was not optimized to my PC at all. It was shit. It didn't even work. Gemini, I think, let's see that again. So the first game, actually, it's between Gemini and GLM. But for me, I think GLM just wins that popping factor. Beep. Yes. Ooh, combo, 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 combo. Oh, okay. It still haven't finished. So I'll be back when it finishes. We're back again. Finally, GLM took its time and finalized the game. Let's see GLM's results. Hold to charge. I am holding, but nothing is happening. We're not done yet. And GLM didn't do anything that's working. No, all that time wasted for nothing, GLM. And our winner for the previous prompt is GLM. For this one, it's Claude. Since Claude got the advantage from the start, it won, but now you can just... Oof, perfect. I can generally play it for a couple of minutes and then get bored of it. Anyway, you saw the results live. Everything is as is. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.